5, 4,
ChatGPT plus After Effects just did something unbelievable. No keyframes, just pure AI-generated expressions, and the result, mind-blowing. Let me show you how I animated this entire scene with zero manual animation. So here's the idea. I wanted to challenge ChatGPT. Can it help me animate a full scene in After Effects using only expressions? No keyframes, just code. Motion graphics powered by AI. This little guy isn't moving yet, but that's about to change. I started with a shake effect. Here's the prompt I gave ChatGPT. Generate an After Effects shake expression where the frequency and amplitude gradually increase over 1.5 seconds. The shake should use sine and cosine functions. Here's what it gave me, and it worked like magic. Look at that. Natural motion, escalating energy, and not a single keyframe touched. Next, I told ChatGPT, I want this object to shake for a second, and then take off like a rocket. Here's the prompt. Generate an After Effects position expression where the object shakes for 1 second and then flies upwards at super high speed. Here's the expression it generated. The shake gives it weight, and the speed after 1 second feels like a rocket launch. Here's the final result. A high-impact cinematic animation, all coded by ChatGPT. All it took were 2 prompts, and ChatGPT handled the rest. Motion graphics meets AI magic. Prompt 1, shake with increasing frequency and amplitude. Prompt 2, shake plus high-speed takeoff. Would you use ChatGPT for animation in After Effects? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered creative experiments.